Oh, good morning. Just packing up whilst having a power cut. Alright, let's do it. Alright. Good plan. Okay, let's do it. Just waiting on my ride. Should have been here by now. 3 minutes late. Disgusting. Hey? I should just walk it. It's only there, isn't it? Alright. Yeah, that's where it is. Yeah. Thanks, mate. So we're doing exactly what I just said for us to do. Yep, I knew it. So I walked down here the other day, didn't I? So doing a walk to the dock now. Because the taxi didn't turn up. And we had a power cut as well, so we've had to do our packing in the dark. Hopefully we haven't forgotten anything. As long as Artie's got what she needs. Yep, and our marbles. You haven't lost your marbles again, have you? Good. As long as we got them, I think we should have a nice day. So, there you go. It's the beach walk we're doing. It's not a bad walk to do in the morning. The sun isn't scorched yet. It's a glorious day. A little bit of exercise. Koozie though. Step on it. Should have good girls. Here we are. Got there, we made it, darling. That treacherous long journey that you were so eagerly to swerve.
I didn't know it was so.
I did that. Something was right. Remember that? Alright. Adios, San Pedro. Turkey coca. You get me a real bad man. Come from the Cape Cook. Yeah. But we prefer it here. Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah.
This has got to top the smallest airport I think I've been to now. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe there's been another one in the past, many years ago. But the matey boy there who's signalling in the aeroplane. He was just checking us in. On the other jobs he's got to take care of baggage, more than likely. Two to go. Let's go get that fucking drone back, shall we? Alright. In departures now for the next flight. Belize City to Cancun. Got the drone back. Got hearty some food and beverages. The remaining Belizean dollars that we had. And now we're just playing a waiting game, waiting for our plane now. Saves off. That's right.
I think I had some Belizean dollars in our house.
Yeah. They're no good there though, are they?
Yeah, because we know you're going to Belize.
Alright. So cute.
Ya paella. Muchas gracias, señorita.
Adiós, mexicano. Try and make our connecting flight now, which goes in about 5 minutes. Oh, party party. Oh, she's having a beer. So we got an alternative flight. Do you want to give the story so far, darling? Right, okay. So, it doesn't matter where you go in the world, you're surrounded by cunts. Jobs, work, cunts everywhere. And
They're usually the same breed.
and Newark is no exception. Yeah, so the immigration thing, where you got to queue up for no fucking reason, just to give you some guy your passport and take a picture of you. No fucker would let us go first, even though we had a connecting flight that was like in half an hour or something. We needed to go, but no, these jobs worth no compassion, no common sense, shit eating, fucking deputy, fucking immigration, custom order. Thank you. Yeah. There's your cutlery, darling. $11 for that. $17 for that beer.
We were going to go to another restaurant as well, and then some little fucking prick didn't even say a word, just put his hand up, and I wait there, and then he just rolls over slowly to a table with a couple of menus, thinking we're following him. Thinks he's fucking Iron Man, putting his hand up like that. So we just fucking walked off. He can get fucked. And what else is there? Yeah, some chicken to another flat. Leaves in about an hour or so. And then hopefully we'll catch the flight after it and we can get back to get back home. Where the people in this country.
Have some food, David.
Okay, darling.
Yeah, sure. Sure you can. Hey, why not?
David, shut up.
I mean, sure.
You're so annoying.
Let's get the fuck out of America. Full of fucking wonders. Alright, we're on. Looking forward to getting back in English waters, darling. Yes.
You are approaching the end of the conveyor.
Caution. We made it. On our way. Darling. Hell, fabulous, but we're here.